Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving super annoying problem that a lot of Windows users face. You try to delete, move, or rename a file and Windows throws up this message. This action can't be completed because the file is open in another program. Even when you close everything, the message still won't go away. Don't worry, I have got your back. Let's walk through some practical steps to fix this issue once and for all. Alright, first step, close all obvious programs. Sometimes the file is open in something you forgot about. Check your browser tabs, Word documents, media players, anything that might be using the file. If you're not sure, save your work and close everything, then try again. Still no luck? Keep watching. Next, let's check the Task Manager. Right-click on Taskbar and choose Task Manager. Or press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Look through the list of running processes. If you know the name of the file or program that might be using it, look for it here. For example, if it's a Word file, find Microsoft Word, right-click it, and choose End Task. This also works for apps that didn't close properly. Still getting the error? Let's use something even stronger. Search for Resource Monitor in the Start menu and open it. Now go to the CPU tab and in the associated handles search box, type the name of the file or a part of it. Windows will now scan and tell you what program is holding on to the file. When you see it, right-click the process and choose End Processes unless you know what they are. Okay, let's say Resource Monitor didn't help. Time to restart File Explorer. Right-click the taskbar, open Task Manager again, and scroll down to Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and select Restart. This will refresh your desktop, taskbar, and file handling. Now try deleting or moving the file again. This trick works well. Sometimes your antivirus or a background service is locking the file. Temporarily disable real-time protection in Windows Security. Go to Windows Security, then Virus and Threat Protection, and under Manage Settings, turn off real-time protection. Try the action again, just don't forget to turn it back on when you're done. It's important to stay protected. To do this, press Windows R, type msconfig, and hit Enter. Go to the Boot tab and check Save Mode, then hit OK and restart. Now try deleting the file. Once done, go back to msconfig and uncheck Save Mode to return to normal mode. As a bonus option, you can use a free utility like LockHunter. It shows you exactly what's locking your file and lets you unlock or delete it. Just download it from a trusted site, install it, right-click on the stack file, and choose what is locking this file. Then choose to unlock or delete it safely. Alright, quick recap. We closed apps, used Task Manager, searched with Resource Monitor, restarted Explorer, checked Antivirus, and even used Save Mode. With these tools, you should be able to handle just about any file in use issue. That's it for today's tutorial. Let me know in the comments which step worked for you, or if you found another trick I didn't mention. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Windows tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.